So, for the last topic, I will discuss to you the integrating found by formula. And for you to better understand, I will give example. So, y times 2x minus y plus 1 dx plus x times 3x minus 4y plus 3 dy equals 0. So, first thing to do is take the coefficient of dx as m and dy as n. Then write here is the value of m and this is the value of n. So m is equals to y 2x minus y plus 1 and n is equals to x times 3x minus 4y plus 3 or equal to 2xy minus y squared plus y and equals to 3x squared minus 4xy plus 3x. Then after that, we need to test its exactness. So partial derivative of m over partial derivative of n is equals to 2xy minus y squared plus y or equals to 2x partial derivative of x of y 2x minus 2y plus 1. And for partial derivative of n over partial derivative of x is equals to 3x squared minus 4xy plus 3x or equals to 6x minus 4x plus 3. Ay, 4y rather. Now, so this is not the same. So meaning this is not exact. Then after knowing its exactness, proceed to the difference of these two. So we have here the difference of 2m partial derivative of m over partial derivative of y minus partial derivative of n over partial derivative of x, that is equals to 2x minus 2y plus 1 minus 6x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 2x minus 2y plus 1 minus 6x positive 4y and negative 3. So we got negative 4x plus 2y negative 2. So we can simplify it. So it is equals to negative 2 times 2x minus y plus 1. So after getting the difference, now proceed for knowing the integrating factor. So knowing the integrating factor, if the function of x alone, so meaning the partial derivative of n over x is the integrating factor. But if the given of partial derivative of m over partial derivative of y is a function of y alone, meaning that is the integrating factor. So now proceed for solving and to know what is the integrating factor that we can use. So first try the 1 over n times partial derivative of m over partial derivative of y minus partial derivative of n over partial derivative of x, which is equals to the difference of this, which is negative 2 times 2x minus y plus 1 over the value of n, which is x 3x minus 4y plus 3. So we can see that that this is not a function of x alone. This is not neither a function of x alone or nor y alone. So meaning this is not the integrating factor. Then try y over 1 over m, same process. So we have here negative 2, 2x minus y plus 1 over Rm, which is y times 2x minus y plus 1. So we have cancelled it out. So we have the negative 2y. So this is a function of y alone, meaning this is our integrating factor. So knowing our integrating factor is equals to 2, negative 2 over y. Now proceed for the solving for integrating factor. So integrating factor is also write as u is equals to e raised to negative integral of p of y dy. So substitute. So equals to e raised to negative 2y dy. So it becomes positive. So e positive 2y dy. Then e is equals to 2 ln y. Then e raised to ln y squared. Cancel. So e is equals to y squared. So our integrating factor is equals to, our integrating factor is y squared. Now, after getting the integrating factor, substitute it to the multiply it to the original given. So we have du and dx plus u and dx. So our integrating factor is y squared, meaning multiply it to the original given. So we have y squared times y 2x minus y plus 1 dx plus y squared times x 3x minus 4y plus 3 dy equals 0. Then distribute. So y cubed 2x y cubed minus y 4 plus y cubed dx plus 3x squared y squared minus 4x y cubed plus 3xy squared is equal to 0. Now, after distributing it, now proceed to combining the like terms. So, we have first the 3x squared y squared, this is dy, 3x squared dy plus y cubed dx minus 4xy dy minus y4 dx and plus 3xy squared dy plus 2xy cubed dx. So now so this is the combining of the like terms. Then after that we need to factor it out. So x 3x squared y squared dy 3x squared dy 3xy squared dy plus y cubed dx minus x times 4y cubed dy y4 dx plus x times 3 y squared dy plus 2y cubed dx. So after factoring it out, we see that xy dy plus y dx, it looks like familiar. So it is from the formulas that I've discussed earlier about the integrating found by inspection. So x dy plus y dx is equals to derivative of xy. So meaning we can replace it to this equation. So now we can use this formula as a replacement for this equation. So it become x derivative of x y cube minus derivative of x y fourth plus derivative of x squared y cube equals 0. So after simplifying it using the formulas by the inspection, now integrate it. Proceed to the integration. So integrate both sides. So we got xy cube minus xy to the fourth plus derivative of the x squared y cube, or x squared y cube is equals to 0. So after equal c, equal c. So now xy cube minus xy4 plus x squared y cube equals c. Now we will factor it out. So simplify, so it become xy cube times of minus 1 minus y plus x is equals to c. I-post ko nga. So it become xy cube minus 1 minus y, because y part minus y cube is y, plus x is equals to c. So xy cube minus times xy cube times x minus 1 plus x minus y plus 1 is equals to c. So this is the final answer. Hey guys, I'm here again. I would like to thank all of you for watching my vlog, for watching my videos, or etc. I hope that you've learned or get some ideas, because I do my best just to share what I know and what I learned. So I hope this is this can help you for solving this such kind of equation. So like this, like what I've mentioned and discussed earlier. So thank you guys, and always stay at home, keep safe, and God bless you all.